Now, first I must say that infrastructure links to everything. It's not just what we do with our lives in terms of work, but also how we live. In the first 50 years of Singapore, I think you see how Singapore has very carefully master planned its infrastructure, which has enabled not just locally a very smooth transit of people and goods, for instance in the transport area, but also enabled Singapore to connect with almost anywhere around the world. Now, in the next 1 or 2 decades, I think the important areas of infrastructure are not just the physical infrastructure, but the soft infrastructure. The infrastructure which will enable Singapore to be a player in information, in finance, and in innovation.